All right, we have some news just coming in. It's Rahul Gandhi versus Mayawati war of words, which now is exploding. Gandhi, during an interaction with Dalit students in Rai Bareli, had said, "I wanted Behenji to fight alongside us against the Bharatiya Janata Party, but for some reason she did not. That was deeply disappointing. If at all three parties had united, the BJP would have never won." Mayawati says Congress contested the Delhi Assembly elections as BJP's B team, due to which the BJP has come to power. Otherwise, the Congress's condition wouldn't have been so bad, is what Mayawati has said.
कांचीराम जी ने नींव रखी जी सर, और बहन जी ने काम किया जी, ये तो मैं भी मानता हूँ। मगर एक सवाल है जी सर, बहन जी आजकल चुनाव ठीक से क्यों नहीं लड़े? अब चाहते थे टाइप हो गया कि बहन जी बीजेपी के विरोध में हमारे साथ लड़े जी सर, ये बात सही है। मगर मायावती जी किसी न किसी कारण नहीं लड़ी। हमें तो काफी दुख लगा, क्योंकि अगर तीनों पार्टियां एक साथ हो जाती तो बीजेपी कभी नहीं जीत सकती।
All right, both sides, in fact, the BSP on one hand, the Congress on the other, have accused each other of being the BJP's B team. Mayawati has also responded, saying that the Congress acted as the BJP's B team in Delhi, and that's the reason why it could not even save the deposit of many of its candidates, is what Mayawati has said. Congress, on the other hand, has said that it was important to consolidate votes, and it would have happened had Mayawati been on the side of the India opposition, the India bloc. For some reason,